Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here. Is Kindle self-publishing profitable 2020 and beyond? Is it still a worthwhile means to making passive income online in this day and age, or are the best years behind us, and is Kindle publishing a money-making opportunity that has just passed us by back in 2014 and 2016, the golden era? Find out my answers in this video where I will reveal the reason 99% of self-publishers fail and how you can be like the 1% and find success. I'd like to ask before starting if you can please remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share. Now, let's get into the lesson. Is Kindle self-publishing worth it? Absolutely yes. Although the competition is more fierce than ever, new self-publishers come onto the Amazon platform every day in hopes to achieve the allure of passive income. With each passing year, people realize the incredible opportunity Kindle self-publishing holds in regards to generating passive income online. But the truth is, most of them will fail because they don't have the correct fundamentals in place. Publishing gurus make self-publishing seem so easy. Find profitable keywords, hire a ghostwriter, and hit publish. But there's more to it than that, and it's not so cut and dry. If it was that easy, everybody under the sun would be making money online and finding success with self-publishing. So, let's talk about the biggest determining factors that will help you achieve success. I will leave the most important secret to success for last, so you'll want to stay tuned for the entire video. Keywords. Are keywords everything? Keywords arguably are one of the most important factors to finding success with self-publishing, but solely focusing on keywords alone, like some publishing gurus preach, will not get you success. Remember, every niche is profitable, but that doesn't mean every keyword is profitable. I'll repeat that again. Every niche is profitable, but not all keywords are profitable. If keywords were everything, then you could simply find a profitable keyword and publish a book in that niche and the money would start rolling in, right? But obviously it's not that easy, at least not anymore. Self-publishing has become more sophisticated. Book covers. Of course, having a book cover can captivate your reader, and you should invest into a premium book cover design. But I see some publishing gurus advising people to invest $50 to even hundreds of dollars into a non-fiction book cover, which I find ridiculous and terrible advice. You can easily find premium book cover designers for $10 to $20 on Fiverr. Don't waste your money on expensive book covers. Your customer is not going to know the difference between a $100 cover versus a $10 cover that holds the same quality. At that point, you're just burning your money. Untapped markets. Everybody is so focused on paperback and ebooks. But what about the audiobooks? The ACX platform is underrated and untapped. The reason being is because the barrier of entry is much higher. It's not as simple as uploading a Word document or PDF. But with $75 bounties per new customer as an added incentive, why wouldn't you take advantage of this opportunity? You're leaving money on the table if you're not publishing audiobooks. There's less than 1 million audiobooks for sale on the Audible platform at the time of this recording. Yet, there's millions of paperbacks and ebooks for sale. And thousands upon thousands of more get published each and every single day. Yet people are still competing for the breadcrumbs and take their piece of the pie in a heavily saturated marketplace when there's a feast going on outside ebooks and paperbacks. Also, have you ever thought about tapping into other languages? The Spanish, German, and Portuguese markets are all underrated. Everyone is focusing on English books, but there's a huge demand for Spanish and other languages as well. These are untapped markets as well. Note, do not use Google Translate for your books and then upload them to Amazon. This will get you banned as they're not professional translations. I'd recommend getting a paid professional to provide translations for your books. Market research. Now this, in my opinion, is the most important and deciding factor to find success for your books. Now, before you get mad and hit the dislike button or scream at your computer screen saying, "This is obvious," I want you to think about this. Is it really that obvious? Most people I see publishing books on their passion or are taught to publish books on what they're passionate about. This goes against business basics. Business 101 dictates the market wants what the market wants, supply and demand. Nobody cares about your passions. People want their needs served. As a nonfiction self-publisher, you're providing solutions to people's everyday problems. Have you actually researched your customer? Or did you assume your book will be profitable just because you think you have a cool cover and you're passionate? Do you know who your target audience or customer avatar is? What are their needs? Are you using the shotgun approach to publishing, where you are just randomly pumping out books, hoping for things to stick on the wall? Do you have evidence that there is a demand in that particular niche? So to find success with self-publishing in 2020 and beyond, you need to go beyond keywords, Amazon marketing, book covers, and even untapped markets. You need to take time and do some in-depth customer research. The most successful million and billion-dollar companies always ask their customers what they want versus what they think. Keep that in mind. Do people in your niche want books that you're covering topics on? Or is it something else they want? Think about it. These are things you need to keep in mind moving forward in 2020 if you want to survive and find success with Kindle self-publishing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share.